Affordable versus luxury products, which is better? Firstly, primers. We've got Bare Minerals and Maybelline. Bare Minerals wins. Brow glue, Urban Decay, NYX Cosmetics. Urban Decay, this is probably the best one that I've tried. Setting powders, Huda Beauty, Makeup Revolution. Hands down Huda Beauty, I think this is one of the best on the market. Finishing powders, Dior, Morphe. To be honest, these are just as good as each other. Just as good. Highlighters, Fenty, Maybelline. Just as good as each other. I did not notice a difference. Matte lipsticks, Huda Beauty, Juvia's Place. Again, just as good as each other. Both perform really well. Setting sprays, Charlotte Tilbury, NYX Cosmetics. They performed just as well as each other. Happy with both. So it doesn't matter if a product is affordable or luxury, just make sure that you like it.